What's up guys, this is Karim. Today I want to talk about Equilibrium, starring Christian Bale and directed and written by Kurt Wimmer. After World War III, a new drug was created to suppress humans' emotions as they were considered to be the cause of wars and destruction. Christian Bale plays an officer whose job is to arrest anyone who feels and to burn things that can evoke emotions, things like paintings, books, and music. We follow Christian as he begins to feel again and question everything around him. The movie was gripping from the start. Christian Bale is a fantastic actor. I think he did a good job with not showing any emotions. Also that part where he listens to music for the very first time, I thought it was very well acted. Overall, a very good performance by Bale. The movie is a little inconsistent with what is considered to be an emotion. I feel to some level they all care about things or like some things. There were a few twists that I liked, especially the one with Matthew Harbour, who plays Christian Bale's son. The fight scenes were really cool to watch. However, I thought in some parts they were a little bit too slow, and also Christian Bale's character didn't really face any challenges. It would have been cool to see him struggle a little bit. There was a scene where they killed some dogs. They didn't show the dogs being shot, however you can hear them scream. So if you don't like that kind of stuff, make sure you turn down the volume when you reach that scene because it was heartbreaking. The ending was a bit too easy, especially the part where the rebels kill the officers. Overall, I give this movie 9 out of 10. Let me know what you think, and if you like this video, please like and subscribe.